Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today I'll be walking you through the process of installing the Microsoft SQL Server on a Windows computer. Microsoft SQL Server is a powerful relational database system that helps you efficiently store and manage large amounts of data. In this video, we'll cover the step-by-step installation of both the SQL Server and the Management Studio, the user-friendly interface that lets you write and manage SQL queries with ease. Let's dive in. The first step in this installation process is to navigate to the Microsoft SQL Server download page. So to get started, we will open our favorite web browser. Next, we'll search for SQL Server download. We will then go ahead and click on the Microsoft SQL Server download. I'll also include the direct download link in the description, so you can simply click on it to go straight to the download page. On the download page, you'll come across various options, such as SQL Server on the cloud and free specialized editions. In this tutorial, we'll download the Express Edition, a free and lightweight version of SQL Server that's ideal for learning and small-scale applications. So we'll click on Download Now to start downloading the setup file. After the download is complete, we'll find the setup file, typically located in the browser's Downloads bar or your computer's Downloads folder, and click on it to begin the Microsoft SQL Server installation process. Next, we'll choose one of the installation options: Basic, Custom, or Media Download. Basic is a quick setup with default settings for beginners, while Custom allows advanced configurations for experienced users. So we'll go ahead and choose Basic, and next we will click Accept License Terms to proceed with the installation. Next, we need to specify the location where we want to install the SQL Server and ensure that the system has enough free space to complete the installation. We're fine with using the default installation location, so we'll simply click Install to start the installation process. The download and installation may take a few more minutes, depending on factors such as the features selected and the stability of your network connection. Once the SQL Server installation is successfully completed, we'll need to install SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, as well. SSMS provides a user-friendly interface for managing the SQL Server. So we'll click on Install SSMS to begin the download and installation process. Clicking on Install SSMS will usually take us directly to the download page. However, I'll also include the download link for SSMS in the video description as well. So to download, we'll simply click on the Download SQL Server Management Studio link. Once the download is complete, we'll click on the setup file to begin the installation process for the SSMS as well. Similarly, we'll have the option to change the installation location for the SSMS if we prefer. I'll leave it at the default location, so let's go ahead and click on Install to proceed. It will take a couple of minutes to extract all the files and load the necessary packages for the SSMS installation. The progress bar will indicate the installation status, and once completed, SSMS will be ready to use. As shown, the setup is complete, so we'll go ahead and close the installer. Then in the search bar, we'll type SQL Server Management Studio to find and launch the application. If everything was installed properly, we should find the SQL Server Management Studio application when we search for it in the search bar. We'll click on it to launch the application. Once the application is launched, we'll need to connect to the SQL Server and verify a few details. Server type, which specifies the type of SQL Server instance, server name, authentication method, and finally, encryption, which ensures secure data transfer between SSMS and the SQL Server. We'll leave the settings at default and click Connect to access the SQL Server instance. On the left side of the Management Studio interface, you'll find the Object Explorer, a key tool for managing and navigating the SQL Server environment. It displays the server hierarchy, including databases, security configurations, server objects, replication settings, and management options, all organized in a tree structure. You can expand and explore specific objects like databases, tables, and stored procedures, with right-click actions providing quick access to management tasks, such as creating databases or running queries. To start a new query, we will simply click on the New Query button on the toolbar, located near the top left of the Management Studio window. In this tutorial, we won't cover queries as we'll dedicate our next video to that topic. In the upcoming video, we'll explore how to create databases and tables, insert data into tables, use basic select statements to retrieve data, and perform operations like sorting, filtering, and basic aggregations. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. Feel free to drop your comments or feedback in the comment section if you need further clarification or have any helpful insights to share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.